Okay, let's look at some examples. So these are from exercise 2.5, I think, and let's just do a few of them. So let's do B. So 6.14 times 10 to the power of 3, and you're asked to write these in decimal notation or decimal form. So it's just a matter of 6.14. We're going to move the decimal place. You should know that 10 cubed is 1,000, but anyway, we'll just demonstrate. So we're going to move the decimal place. When you multiply by positive power, you're increasing the size of the number. The number should get larger and larger. So 6.14, when you times it by 10, the decimal point moved to there. So you'll be 61.4. And then you multiply by another 10, and the number now will be 614. And then finally you multiply by another 10, and I'll put the 0 in. And that's where the decimal point ends up. So let's write out the final answer. Do a little diagram showing the jumps as you multiply by 10. So 6.14 times 10 cubed is just 6,140. We'll do another one from there. We just got 3. Let's do K. 3.51 times 10. It's a fairly straightforward one. The decimal point is going to move one place, multiplied by 10. So 3.51 is simply going to become 35.1. I think you should get the hang of that. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go, we'll do J, we'll do one that's got a larger number. .1414 times 10 to the power of 6. So I'll just go to a new line and I'll write out the 7.1414. Now so we're going to multiply by, we're effectively here 10 to the power of 6, you multiply by 10 6 times. So you multiply by the first 10, the number's now 71.4 something. You multiply by another 10, the number's now going to be 714. Another 10 is 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to add 2 zeros in, and that's where the decimal point ends up. So let's write the final answer down. 7141400. So that's approximately, if you put some commas in there, it's about 7,141,400. Okay, that's the. So let's do some of the others where we do the. So let's look at some examples from question 2. I'll just choose some. Let's start 5,000. So question 2. And this is 2A. So 5,000. Now there's no decimal point given in the actual original number, so let's add a decimal point. And now let's move that decimal point. Remember, we've got to try and scientific notation, get a number between 1 and 10. So to do that, we divide by 10, divide by another 10, so effectively we divide by 100, divide by another 10, so that's 1,000, so that's the decimal point there. So to be equivalent to the original number, we need to go 5 times 1,000, but we write the 1,000 using powers of 10. 1, 2, 3. So if you just count your jumps, you get the power for the 10. So it's 5 times 10 cubed. Okay, we'll just do, I might try this really large one. H 725,000, 3 zeros, another 3 zeros. Okay, again, I'll just put in the decimal point at the end. And let's move it. Divide by 10, divide by another 10, so that's 100, divide by another 10, so that's 1,000, divide by another 10, that's 10,000, another 10, that's 100,000, another 10, that's a million. So that's 6, 7, that's 10 million, 8, that's 100 million. So at the decimal point, if we rewrite the number, so the first part is now a number between 1 and 10, we need to multiply back by 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll be 7.25, 10 to the power of 8. Okay, you go off and you can try some others. Hopefully just draw the number in and just make sure you count correctly.